Hey there, it's KG, your go-to real estate expert. Are you wondering whether renting or buying is the best move for you in 2025? With rising home prices, fluctuating mortgage rates, and rental market shifting, this is a big decision. In today's video, I'll break down the pros and cons of both renting and buying so you can make an informed decision and choices. Plus, you want to stick around for my expert tip at the end of the video that could save you thousands of dollars. Let's dive right in. Let's start with renting. Renting often is seen as the easier option, but is it actually the best financial decision for you in 2025? Here's what you need to know and consider renting in 2025. Flexibility. So if you are not sure where you'll be in the next 2 to 5 years, renting allows you to move right in, and you don't have commitments of a mortgage, and you can move whenever you're ready to go. Lower upfront cost. So with renting, there's no down payment. You just need your security deposit and your first month's rent, and voila, you move in, right? No maintenance cost. So if the HVAC breaks down, if you have plumbing issue, that's the landlord's problem. All you need to do is make a phone call, not your problem. Higher interest rates, no problem. With mortgage rates fluctuating, renting may feel like a safer bet for you right now, right? But here's the downside of renting: rising rents. Rental prices in many cities are also increasing, just like mortgage is increasing, which means you could end up paying more over time. You actually pay more over time when you rent. The second downside is you are not building equity. Unlike homeownership, every rent check you pay is money you don't get back. You're paying somebody else's mortgage, you're building somebody else's equity. Renting also means you have limited stability. Your landlord can raise your rents or sell the property, forcing you to move unexpectedly. Now, let's talk about buying a home in 2025. It's a big decision, but it can be one of the best wealth building moves you ever make. Here's why buying might be the right choice for you right now. Building equity. One of the advantages of being a homeownership is instead of paying rent, you're actually investing in your own future. So every mortgage payment builds your ownership in the home because you're paying down the principal. Predictable payments. With a fixed mortgage rate, your payments remain stable. Unlike rents that can increase over time, you know exactly what your payments will be every month because you have a fixed mortgage rate. Let's talk about the tax benefit. Home ownership comes with potential tax deduction, which can save you money every year. You don't get that when you rent. Long-term stability. So you won't have to worry about your landlord kicking you out because they want to sell or raising the rent. This is your home when you buy a house. But buying isn't for everyone right now. And here are some challenges of buying. Higher upfront cost. If you're going to buy, you need a down payment, which is going to be a lot of money for some people. You need a closing cost, and you also need to factor in the maintenance expense. All this add up, right? The second downside is the market uncertainty. So home prices and interest rate may fluctuate, impacting affordability. So even if you want to buy, you may not be able to buy right now because the affordability of homes. Long-term commitment. If you're buying, it's a long-term commitment. Selling a home takes time. So if you need flexibility, buying may not be the best choice for you right now. So how do you decide? There are 3 key questions to ask yourself. renting or buying. Number one, how long do you plan to stay in one place? So if it is less than 3 to 5 years, renting may be a better option for you. If it is longer, buying may be the smarter financial move. Number two question, what is your financial situation? Do you have savings for a down payment? You need to be aware of that. Are you comfortable with mortgage payments monthly? Property taxes and maintenance costs. All these are costs that you need to be aware of. Number three question is, what is your local market like? In some cities, renting is significantly cheaper. In other cities, like the DMV area, buying makes more sense because home values are rising fast and rent is also almost the same as what you're paying on mortgage. But here's my expert tip. If you are not quite ready to buy but want to start investing in real estate, you may want to consider what we call house hacking. Buying a duplex, living in one, and renting out the other. It is a great way to offset your mortgage while also building equity. I've helped countless of buyers do this. So what do you think? Are you leaning towards renting or buying in 2025? Let me know in the comments. Drop me a comment. If you're still unsure, let's chat. I help buyers and renters navigate the process and allow them to pick the best option based on their goals. So let's connect. Call me at 301-613-2043 or DM me on my Instagram, KG Your Realtor. Listen, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification so that you never miss a real estate update as I upload videos weekly. So see you in the next video. Happy home buying.